They're back! And it happens every year, late May to mid-July, the red-winged blackbirds begin to act aggressively towards humans they perceive to be a threat. But don't take it personally. Red-winged blackbirds aren't here to make friends. They just want to protect their young. These nesting birds will swoop and squawk at unsuspecting walkers along the rec path and in the gardens. They usually nest in low-growing trees and shrubs along bodies of water. The male birds tend to be more aggressive. Here are some tips to avoid the wrath of red-winged blackbirds. Keep plenty of distance between yourself and the nest whenever possible. Take an alternate route. Wear a hat when walking through a nesting area. If you don't have a hat, raise your arm and wave your hand back and forth above your head. Bring an umbrella on your walk and simply raise it in the air above your head when walking past a nesting area. Keep in mind that when we're in parks, we're sharing territory with wildlife. Commemorate red-winged blackbird season with a limited edition t-shirt designed by local artist Dustin Eckhart, available in the Garden Gates gift store.